Hello, welcome back. My name is George, and today I'm going to show you how to burn an image in a USB by making it bootable. And this involves an external hard disk or a USB, and ISOs, and what else? We can use an external hard disk, ISOs, and USB flash. Instead, you can either use an external hard disk or a USB pen drive. So the first thing, we will start with downloading the Windows 11 image. It's also called an ISO. That's the so we're going to come to this site, the Microsoft.com, and we're going to download it from here. So we're going to choose the version we want, which is multi-edition, and it's meant for 64-bit devices. Then you're going to download, but since I've already downloaded it, just wanted to show you the site where we get the image. So our next software is called YUMI, and we come to this site, pendrivelinux.com. So we'll just use the exFAT. This exFAT is the one that we want. We click here, but since I already have it, I won't click it. But if before you have it, you have to click here and download it. So yeah, I have the files here. Now you have to have your USB flash disk or your external hard disk attached to the machine, which I have. Start by running the program YUMI. Then we come, and since I've attached a hard disk, you should be very careful that you don't have more than one external storage attached, because once you click here, it will show you more than one and it might confuse you. But just to confirm, you can just come to your PC and see. You see, these are the internal ones and this is the attached one. So we are going to have it as letter E. So what happens here is that YUMI will prepare, which is converting the external hard disk from NTFS to exFAT, and then formatting it. It's taking quite long. Let me pause the okay, it's good. Once it's done, come here and look for Windows 11 ISO. Then, since we have our ISO around here, we need to direct this. We need to direct this to here, which is the same as here, and then it has the ISO. So we just create. I'll just pause the video and come back when it's almost done. So we're almost done. So once it completes that, you press next, and now it asks you, would you like to add more distros? You say yes, since we want to continue by adding another OS. And here we have Pop OS, and the next one is Pop OS. We add it and create. So what happens here is it will help you create as many distros as your external storage can hold. If it's for example mine, it's 250 GB external hard disk, it can hold as more than 10. So yeah, we no, sorry, it's not more than 10, it's more than maybe 5. Yeah, but this is a very easy method, and hope it helps you in creating your bootable disks. Yeah, so if you have any problem, you can comment and I'll help you. Like and share. Have a good day.